Is it loose like we could tighten it? Or
Well,
is
he
it loose
tightened
like...
it. He tightened it, and the noise was still there.
Okay.
So either
It's
sitting over there.
Oh, okay.
But it's either there's something going on with the pinion bearings, because when he tightened it, obviously made it super tight, but the backlash doesn't feel terrible.
See, and I wasn't really, well, it was the backlash to begin with that I was having a problem with, because when I hit it, you could see the whole drive line turn way more than it should.
Well,
that's when it popped.
they will when the whole gear sets in, because you start on the gear,
right,
and it rocks.
Well, yeah.
So you're going to get a big turn out of it, but just a little back and forth, it seems a little bit excessive.
That's where I was
but
going. But
I think tightening the pinion bearing didn't do anything for us.
I didn't think it either, because it should have pulled that away from it, not.
So, but it should
have tightened the bearing.
It shouldn't have. It shouldn't have tightened it.
That's why I said a shim kit instead of that. Pull that off really quick, because that'll screw with your install.
What are you doing?
Installing a hub seal for the four-wheel drive. This is actually the vacuum seal that they use right here for the four-wheel drive actuation for the auto four-wheel drive.
Oh.
So when you're driving down the road and you switch it to four-wheel drive,
That's what's
the vacuum
clicking
pump
on.
switches over and it will actually start sucking on this, and then it sucks the hub itself and it locks it.
Loctite.
And this is the big giant expensive ass tool that you get to beat in with a hammer. Oh, you slid it right in, didn't you? Well, the bottom's a little out.
Yeah, the bottom's a little bit out.
Okay. Yeah, I think I was going to have him just get the cover off, and I was going to just try to rock the pinion itself to check the backlash. So, okay. Yep. Come here. Get in the hole. I have that problem.
Now what?
Stuff.
Like what?
Magic happens.
Magic happens.
It's kind of like the spirit of Christmas. It just happens.
You don't know when.
How Positrack on a Plymouth works. It just does.
You and your jokes. Now the hub goes back on.
The hub goes back on, and then the four-wheel drive hub goes back in, and then the rotor, and then the caliper bracket assembly, and then the tires. And it's all done.
And then it's good to go.
Good to go.
Just like that. Super easy.
Done and done.
Done and donezo.
Ginger,
Cayenne. Cayenne.
Stop it. That comes back out. Snap ring goes in. Snap rings are directional because they have a round side and a flat side. And if you put the flat side on the wrong side, the snap ring can pop off.
Ooh.
And cause you a failure.
Probably a problem.
And a lot of people don't know that there's a right and wrong side to a snap ring.
Gotta put it in the right way.
Put it in the hole.
The right way.
Yeah. Not the wrong way, but the right way. Come on. Slide in.
Not a good fit.
Nope. It's all about getting the thing in the hole.
But the right way.
Yeah, not the wrong way. Come on, line up. Everybody gets to watch me struggle.
It's Struggle City over here.
Yeah, I don't know why either. Last time I got played
Is that
together.
a wheel lock? No?
Sometimes it's just because. There it goes. And then a
No,
little snappy snap. And then we can take the vacuum pump.
I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
See the leaks.
What is that?
It's a vacuum pump. So as we
Is the other side open?
well, I'm just doing the hub itself. And it holds. And then when you release it, that releases your hub.
Blood pressure.
Yeah, that too. And we're done.
And it's good to
With the
go.
hub part, with the hub, we're good to go. Now we can put the rotor back on. And then brake caliper can go back on.
Good old brakes. Don't want to mess that one up.
Pick up our vacuum line. And then center tap. And then the tire.
Watch out.
Like that?
Yeah, just like that. Moto metal. Put all those cool doohickey things back in.
Or lug nuts. Not doohickey things.
Oh. Those lug nuts that have spikes on them.
Put some on your Acadia.
That'd be super cool.
I have a set of chrome ones.
Let's do it. Do you think that would make it look more badass?
No, it would
Oh,
look really stupid.
I think it would be cool. As a mom car? No? Not cool? Alright.
Until when your kids run into one of them.
Now I'll be like, oh!
Yeah. Nice going, dummy.
Be like, took him down to the ground. Yeah, but I don't think you like really run into these. They're like flush with the tire.
Well, on your car, they'd be like a dually and stick out.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
the
that
lug
would look
nut-
stupid.
The lug nut would hang out like that far.
Mm.
If you'd run into them, and it hurts.
That's like that hitch on the back.
And the truck's back on the ground, we'll torque them.
And just like that, it's done.
I gave it 3 other joggers, you don't need to torque it. I just need one more seal to where I was getting